Hey guys, so today I'm gonna get my hair braided. I'm gonna get my knotless twists. Ron, you wanna say hi?
Sorry,
my hair.
what a mess.
That's my friend over there. Hi. You don't like me for real?
Sorry.
Anyways,
what a mess. Sorry.
it's gonna be, how long is this gonna take? Like 6 hours?
Yeah.
I live for the head rush. Yeah. My time lapse it. Yeah. Bye. Hey guys, so we're almost done. We've done a lot actually. Now we're ordering top. I'm literally watching Hunter x Hunter, so this better be good. Literally. So how far are we? Like halfway?
Just the top section and then the front. Like more than half.
I got my food, guys. Y'all go look at me clutch. Bro, this is the best flavor. What flavor do you get when you get mine?
I don't know. I always switch it up. I don't like big business. The last recent one I got was ice cream at the bottom of blueberry coconut.
That's naming sick. I like it. That was different for them. I want to see everybody at work's reaction. They're gonna look at me like I'm like a new kid. Hey guys, so literally we're almost done. Dang, it feels weird seeing myself in black, but I'm actually excited, so we're almost done. So yeah, I think I'm gonna time lapse the rest, so I've been watching regular show, Big Mouth. I tried to watch Hunter x Hunter. I was a little bored, but yeah, it's going pretty good, so I can't wait to dip it in hot water. I actually want to see like a couple of my friends' reactions because I know they're gonna be looking at me kind of weird, but yeah. Are y'all weirded out seeing me with black hair? I don't know. It's interesting to see, especially from the recorded point of view, so gotta go. Wait, so when did you get that tattoo?
Last 2 weeks ago.
It hurt?
Mm-hmm.
You guys all wait for a phone?
Why'd you want it in that spot? Where is it? Like under your boot?
Yeah.
Right.
That's a Scorpio sign, right?
If anybody wants my card.
I wanted to get Chinese letters, but I feel like it's gonna be too big. I thought this one was too big. It's a little bit too big, but
Like a guy.
You should have got it on your foot. I mean, like, I don't know. Let's see.
I don't know. I never wear shoes, so like, where would I? In red is more. My foot's really light, so.
Yeah.
Doctor.
I'm not to notice mine yet, because it's figurative
The whole
shit, but
bag
so
of
I
props
figured you think
useless now because he.
I mean, I don't know.
Doctor.
Maybe one of these days
Damn
you'll
it.
see.
Have you been at your craft a long time?
Yeah, so you just gotta say everything we tell you, Mark.
Something
So
has
reason.
more. So
Yeah.
like,
All right, buddy, here we go.
My rib hurt.
This ride was made for
But this nigga
America.
invited me, so that's what I'm talking about. I was just like, good, hurt.
Here we go. So Mark.
But he's tatted like a motherfucker, so I'm like, yeah, I know it's different for
The
you.
gentleman in the
but,
white
like,
t-shirt on the other side of the woman.
technically
Are
my
you
first
ready?
one.
Yeah.
Skin.
I'm only on this ride to be close to you.
My friend's hand. He was like, why are you squeezing my hand? Because it hurt. Like,
I'm only on this ride
yeah.
to be close to you.
I'm not dating anymore.
you date somebody after Kevin?
Oh my
I
god.
was so confused when he hit me in my DMs because
Say,
my
sure.
account
Dinosaur
is
bites
blocked.
someone
His best-
everyone
his best friend?
cheers. I do it. And get slapped with a shrink
my account is
reverse.
basically his boyfriend.
Look at that.
My account
If
is
Dinosaur bites someone, everybody cheers. I bite one,
my
the
main
cops get
account.
involved.
Kevin blocked my main account, but he still has my
Alright,
other
Q.
account.
To the girl to your
So
right,
get-
I want you to
and
say,
the boy,
you shouldn't
his
show
best
so
friend
much
never
skin
knew I
in
had
public.
an account, and he never had the account. So
Here we
I
go.
went in there,
Okay,
and he
so
told
an
me
audience
that
here
he
is
was
seeing a
like,
play called Arabian
"Like,
Nights.
get that ghetto
Our
shit
show.
off."
And we
And I
literally
was like,
control
wow,
this
that's
movie.
all right. I seen him the other day, and
Show,
he
yeah.
hit me hard.
If only I were
Y'all
a
dated
prince.
for a year?
Like a
What's
year
this
and
junk?
3 months. But like, I never
Oh, here comes Joey.
I don't really like dating people anyway because it makes me like cringe. I
Why?
hate
Are you a
stuff.
genie?
Like, when you used
Yes.
to buy me stuff, I'll tell you no.
Can I wish for anything I want?
What? Really?
Yeah,
I don't think
like,
y'all enjoyed it.
does
Y'all
it-
used to match and stuff like that. You used to
Can you
give
fly?
baskets. You didn't like any
She
of
does
that?
as you
No, I
wish.
did after a while. I had to get used to it. Like in the beginning of the relationship, you got mad at me. He had like a whole bunch of breakups because you got him back in. And I'm like, no, I just got wrong about that TikTok that she did with Wolf, but my pride's too high. Blah blah blah. He ain't got no pride. I was like, bitch, all he got is Bronco pride. Shut the fuck up. So he was like, I feel like I should text her or something. I just want to text her about or something, but I don't want to do my pride. And so she was like, just do it, blah blah blah, like you never did it. So then I was like, nigga, shut up. So
Answer the phone.
So my camera cut off, so literally we're done. That's the camera, bro. That's how long it is, bro.
When a man loves a
I'm officially not a blonde anymore, man. So now we're about to put hot water, so.
man loves a woman. Yes, sock it right. Yes. Okay, I'll call you later, Mom.
Yeah, yeah, we
Let me go. Don't worry.
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
We've hit Joe in your
Okay. So thank you, Fran, for doing my hair. You gotta say. Hey guys. Yeah. Dang, I really look different for real. From the blonde.
You just look basic. Hello.
Side. Everyone's looking. So we're gonna end it right here. Dang, no more blonde. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. It was long. That was quick. It was like what, 5 hours? 4? Yeah. It was quick. It was like 5 hours. So peace. We appreciate the lighting over here. Like my lashes really stand out. But yeah. Alright, I'm dead. Bye.